Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover this account without email. So, if you know your password but cannot access the email, if you're logged out, Discord generally requires access to the registered email to verify certain changes or reset your password. So, if you cannot access that email account, you can try recovering it. So, simply go to this plus icon again in the top and type down Discord support. Or over here in the top, there's this icon for submit request. Click onto the submit request here. After that, you need to select how can Discord will help you. You can select this help and support. And from here, you can select on this type of question. You need to click on to this account verification. You are also required to select what type of issue you are facing. Select email verification here. And under this email verification, select missing, delayed, or forgot email as per your preference, as per the issue. And after that, you can also type the description if you have. And if you have any supported attachment details, you can also add it. And after that, you can click on to the submit. And that is it. That is how you can recover Discord account without email. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.